Hey gang, super quick, super easy video here using powder pink, banana milkshake and powder blue, and this glitter from Diamond Glitters, the Cocoa Metallic Multi-Mix, which is a cocoa coloured metallic multi-mix glitter. I know, cryptic. So this is the second coat. I normally film the first coat and then say I'm doing 2 coats, but somebody, not mentioning names, somebody forgot to press record. So this is the second coat, and they will all be cured in the lamp for 60 seconds. I love that blue. This is the glitter. I'm putting a coat of the first base over all of the colours, and then just picking up some glitter with a cuticle stick, that's just glitter from the lid, and speckling it over the nail. Some of them have, the first one I've got quite a lot of specklage, if you will, and then the yellow has a bit less, and then the blue is the lesser spotted mini egg, just to see which one looked nicer with more or less speckling. As I say, this is not a rocket science nail, but trying to do these videos every day, I was having a day today that there were no ideas at all in my head, and the mojo wasn't particularly present. The owner and queen of Diamond Glitters and Gel Perfection posted this idea with some of the new colours that are coming out, well, that are out now actually, on sale on the website, and I thought that is the perfect idea for today's video, because it's Easter soon, and who doesn't love a mini egg? Do they have mini eggs everywhere in the world? They must do. Cadbury's. Yeah, I think their chocolate recipe changes though. Like, I know chocolate in the States doesn't taste the same as chocolate over here, but mini eggs, always a winner. That crunchy shell, love it. So that's being cured, and now they are having a coat of Make It Matte, which is an amazing matte top coat. It's no wipe as well, and that's it. They go in the lamp and you're done. Nice and easy. But as I say, a video a day. I'm losing the I can't think of word, the momentum. I couldn't twiddle those in one hand with 3 of them, so I told them off and was like, sit down, stay still. I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for lots more videos, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.